Hello everyone. Standard 9 History Lesson number 2 India Events after 1960. Changes in social field. During this period there were several major changes in the social field in India. Some of the changes are related with the issues of the empowerment of women. Empowerment means giving power to, and the others are related with the policies regarding the uplift of the deprived sections of the society. Deprived means backward, not advanced. To promote the all-round development of women and children, a separate Department of Women and Child Development was created in 1985 under the Ministry of Human Resource Development. Human Resource Development is a ministry in central government. Some laws were made to ensure social justice to women and to help the implementation of various schemes in this direction. They include the Prohibition of Dowry Act, Equal Remuneration Act. As per the 73rd and 74th Constitution amendments, seats were reserved for women in the local self-government bodies. So, for the upliftment and empowerment of the women, some of the laws were made. The important laws are Dowry Act. Dowry means Dahej. As per this act, asking for dowry is a crime. Equal Remuneration Act. Remuneration means money given for some work. Okay. So, men and women should be given equal returns of their work. And 73rd and 74th Constitutional Amendment has given 50% of reservations in the local governments. Means in Gram Panchayat, Panchayat Samiti and Jilla Parishad elections. According to the makers of the Indian Constitution, some constituents of the Indian society were deprived of dignity and equal opportunities due to the caste system. According to the members of the Constitutional Committee, some people or some castes, they were backward, they were not equally advanced. For the same, the Kaka Saheb Kalelkar Commission was set up in 1953 to make recommendations, recommendation in the sense suggestions, so as to improve their condition. In 1978, a commission was constituted under the chairmanship of B.P. Mandal to study the issue of the other backward classes. Means for the backward classes, already in the constitution, a reservation is given, but for the other backward classes, no reservation was there. For the same, Kaka Saheb Kalelkar Commission, and then in 1953 and in 1978, B.P. Mandal Commission was appointed. The policy of reservation was adopted in order to strengthen the representation of backward sections in various service and institutions. So, as per the recommendation of the Mandal Commission, for the other backward classes, reservation was given. The government passed the Prevention of Atrocities Act in 1989 to enable those belonging to the scheduled castes and tribes to live with dignity and respect, free from fear, violence and oppression of the upper classes. So, in 1989, Atrocity Act was passed, and as per this act, this act gives protection to the people from scheduled castes and tribes. Means no one can insult them on the basis of their social status or their caste. Globalization brought about many changes in different fields like economy, politics, science and technology, and society and culture. We have discussed some of the changes in the above paragraphs. India has emerged as an important country on the global scene in different spheres. India is an important member of international organizations like G2 and BRICS. BRICS means an organization of Brazil, Russia, India, China and South Africa. India has experienced an important revolution in the field of telecommunication technology. Telecommunication means telephone and mobile. Mobile phones, internet and the communication facilities based on satellite have spread all across the country. In the political field, India has demonstrated to the world how a stable democracy can function successfully. All this has resulted in a total transformation in the lifestyle of Indians and especially the youth. These changes are visible from their dietary habits, clothing, language, and benefits. Sorry, beliefs. In the next chapter, we are going to study some internal challenges before India. So, in this way, India has made all round development in different sectors regarding mobile phones, internet, communication facilities, as well as Indian democracy is strengthening day by day. Okay, and the lifestyle of the people or standard of living of the people in India is day by day changing. More and more people are getting opportunities in different fields, and in this way we are making progress in different stratas of life. Okay, thank you very much.